Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah, wa ala ahli wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. Assalamu alaykum warahmatullah wabarakatuh. We welcome you back to Halal training and coaching program, and we ask Almighty Allah to bless our efforts. This is the third video in our new series, e-commerce system. If you are new to the channel or you are new to the series, kindly do well to subscribe to the channel right now and go to the description of this video to join the community of Muslim entrepreneurs who are willing to make money online in a halal way. So we have a community where we gather together. In this community, we provide free support and guide for the people who are willing to make money online in halal way. In this particular video, I'm going to be teaching you how to run test ad. After choosing the product you want to sell, you want to run ad to further verify if the product is actually going to sell on Facebook. So the very first thing we need is Facebook account. Since we are running Facebook ad, we are going to need Facebook account, and also we need a website. The actual thing we need to run ad on our Facebook account is ad manager. If you go to your Facebook account, if you come to this particular place, you are going to see ad manager. So you just open it in a new tab. So I'm now in ad manager now. So when you are here, you can just mark it as favorite so that it's going to come to this place. You can see it here, and anytime just click on it, you are going to open it. If I click on it now, the ad manager is going to load. So this is where we are going to be running the ad on our Facebook account. We need the ad manager. So what we are going to use inside the ad manager to run the ad is ad account. But normally, since you have your Facebook account ready and you go to ad manager, you are going to have your personal ad account. You can see ad account ID. You can see the ID here. So this is the ad account for this my personal Facebook account here. So the second thing is that we can also get our business ad account, which is the best. The reason we like to use business ad account is this. If you are using business ad account, if Facebook bans the ad account, you can still create another one for another business. You can create another business and still create the ad account, another ad account, and you can still use it to run ad on the same Facebook account. So if they ban that one too, you can still create another business and create another ad account and still use it. So that's why we like to use this business ad account, because if they ban it, you can still create another one. But if you are using your personal ad account, if they ban it, then you cannot use the old Facebook account to run ad again. Note that everything that you are saying about their banning or something, it doesn't affect your normal Facebook account. If you are using your normal Facebook account that you are using to chat, or you have a lot of friends there, you are chatting with people there, and you're also using it to run ad, if Facebook ban the ad account or something, it doesn't affect you. You can still use it to chat, to do everything you are doing. Only that you cannot use it to do business again. That is, you cannot use it to run ad, but you can still use it to connect with people normal way. So I'm going to tell you how to get your business ad account later in this video. So the very first thing we need now to do is to create Facebook page, because if you go to Facebook, if you're on Facebook, if you want to run ad, look at this. This is an ad. If I should scroll down, maybe I'm going to see another ad. Okay, this is Google ad. Look at Google ad. So this Google ad you are seeing is a page. If you want to run ad, the actual thing you are going to be using to run the ad is the page, not your personal account. The actual thing you are going to be using to run the ad is the page. So look at this particular ad. So Google is running ad on Facebook, and they are running this ad with a page. If I should hover on this, you can see page, and the page is promoting a product or service. So this is a page by Google, and this image you see here is the profile image of the page, and this is the name of the page. So you actually need to have a profile image for your page and also a name for your page. I'm going to show you that later. Let me see if I'm going to see another ad. Look at it. This is another ad by HubSpot. This is the image, the profile image of the page, and this is the name of the page. You can see this page too. They are promoting what? Product and service. So what you are going to use to run the ad is a page. It is the page people are going to see. And if you are creating a page, one thing you must know is that nobody can trace the person that actually owns the page or that created the page. The page is another entity different from you yourself, different from your personal account. So if you want to create a page, you just come to this place, open it in a new tab. So when you are here, I don't have any page. That's why I can't see anything here. I will click on create a new page. I will choose the name for my page, maybe electronic shop. If this is the name of my page, I will click on this place, maybe just type something, electronics. I can say something that is related. Okay, the bio is not compulsory. I will just click on create page. You can see that it's not creating. So I'm very happy that this one comes up. This is one of the errors that started maybe last year. So you can see you have created too many pages recently. Please try again. And it's a lie. I haven't created too many pages recently. So these are some of the errors you see on Facebook. So what you are going to do is that you are going to put on your VPN. So you can use free VPN like winscribe.com. So you are going to download it and install it and register for free. So it's free. But as for me, I have paid VPN, which is peer. When you put it on, I will advise you just change your location to maybe another place. Alright, so I will come back to this place and click on create page. So it has created. So after creating, I will advise you just turn off the VPN. So all this one is not compulsory, just click on next. Now we have add profile picture and cover photo. So these two, they are very important, although the most important there is the first one. So how do you not get a profile picture? You can use a logo of your business or anything. You can get logo in Canva or anywhere. So as for me, I'll just go to pixabay.com. Here I can just write smartwatch. So maybe I will download this. Click on download. I will download this small one because I want to use this one as profile picture. Then I can come back here. I will download another one to be used as the cover. Maybe I can download this one. This one has to be big, but this is just okay. Even this is okay. Alright, so when I come to this place now, I can go to where the image is downloaded. Alright, this one that I want to use for the profile picture, I can right click, edit with Paint 3D. I want to crop it. You might have another way of doing this, no problem. So I click on crop. So I can do something like this. So enter, then Ctrl S. So it has saved, it has been cropped. So now I'll click on this. I'll go to downloads. I will pick this. I'll go to cover 2. I'll pick this one I want to use for cover, or I have another one here I can use for cover. So you can see. So after doing this, click on next, skip, next, done. So my page is ready, and this is the page I'm going to use to run ad. So if I should come to my normal Facebook account here, so I have my normal account. Okay, it's reloading. It wants to change to the page. Now you can see this electronic shop. So I can relate with people as a page. And also if I click on this, I can click on see all profiles. You can see this, the name. I can relate with people as a person, not as a page. And I can also relate as a page. So this is it. So you already have a page with which you are going to use to run ad, that's going to carry your ad. The next thing is to create business accounts. So there are a lot of ways people use to create business accounts. One of the ways is people go to facebook.com/select or create. They can use select, they can use create, or you can use overview. So they come here, they click on create an account, they create business account. But I don't like this method because it fails. Sometimes, or a lot of times, it fails, this method. So the way I use is that I will go to business suite. You can see here now, under my page here, I can see Meta business suite. I will click on it. After opening the business suite, you can see electronic shop. That's the page. I will click on it. I click on create a business account. So here I will enter the name of my business. If it is electronic shop, electronic shop. So my name, I can enter my name, any random name here. I'm just entering any random name. So it needs my email. So I'm going to get an email. I'll put the email here and click on create. You can see this feature isn't available at the moment. So sometimes you get this. If you're having this, you can try to put on the VPN if it's going to work. Although a lot of times it might not work. Create. It's still saying the same thing. So if it is saying the same thing, there's no problem. So because you are unable to create the business now, yeah, so you are not going to be able to create the business ad account, because after creating the business, the next thing is to create business ad account. So but if you are unable to do this, you can still use your personal ad account to run the ad. There's no problem with that. Only that if they block it, you just have to get another account to do it. So that's it. There's no problem with that. So when you come to this place, you know, we already have our ad manager here. If you refresh it, there's no problem with it. So you can start running ad here with this. Just click on create. So it said go to account overview. So when you come here, you just click on claim. So when you click on claim, so you can just click on create. It's going to create for you the same thing. If you like, you can go back to the ad manager. Now if you click on create, it won't ask you to go to overview again. You can see the same thing. So now this Facebook account, this ad manager is ready to run ad. It's ready to run ad. But don't forget that we are running the ad with personal ad account, because it doesn't allow us to create business ad account. Because in order to create business ad account, we have to first create the business, then we create the ad account in it. And that's the best. And the reason why it is the best, remember, is that what? Whenever they block the ad account, you can still create another ad account inside the business, or even create a new business and create a new ad account in it. But when you are using your personal ad account, if they block it, you can't use this particular Facebook account to run ad again. But it doesn't affect your own personal Facebook where you chat and relate with people. Only that particular account cannot be used to run ad. And it doesn't mean anything. My own Facebook account that I use, they have banned the personal ad account, so I can't use it to run ad again. And I'm still using the Facebook to connect with my friends and family. And I'm running ad with other Facebook accounts that I have or that people created for me. So that's it. It doesn't affect anything. Now this Facebook ad manager is ready to run ad. So that's where we're going to stop this video. In the next video, I will show you the next thing. That's how to design your website, your landing page. So then we are now going to connect the two and set up the ad. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your loved ones. And don't forget to also join the community of Muslim entrepreneurs who are willing to make money online in halal way. May Almighty Allah bless our efforts. This that we have learned in this particular video, try to do it. Try to do it. May Almighty Allah make it easy for us.